Super juicy, extra garlicky, and a perfect peppery cake. Even the garlic cloves will surprise you. Cut the chicken into even-sized pieces for uniform cooking. Marinate it first to tenderize and build a base flavor. Don't forget the black pepper. That's the soul of this dish. Mix until the sauce is fully absorbed. Slowly saute the garlic cloves until golden, then set them aside. Keep the oil in the pan. It's now infused with the beautiful garlic aroma, which is the secret to this dish's deep flavor. Mix your sauce beforehand so you won't feel rushed. Now seal the chicken. Be patient. Let one side get a nice golden crust before flipping. Pour in the sauce. Cover and simmer for 1 minute to ensure the chicken is cooked through. Turn up the heat to reduce the sauce, coating every piece with that rich flavor. Garnish with some fresh green onions or parsley. And it's ready to serve. Simple but absolutely delicious. Honestly, better than takeout. And trust me, those garlic cloves are a total surprise. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.